So you guys know how much I love noodle. Now what I wanted to do is how to make this magnificent egg noodle become a beautiful dish to share. This Vietnamese steamboat is one you have to enter the list. The secret to this dish is because I use meat telur urai. I use the original version. This is the chewiness of meat urai blend beautifully with this Vietnamese steamboat. Cook meat urai according to instruction on the page. We are going to make the broth. Oil here in the clay pot, garlic in, ginger and lemongrass. Beef stock, green onion, and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. Marinate our meat. So I have a sukiyaki meat, oyster sauce, garlic, black vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil. Massage. Let it rest for about 30 to 35 minutes. For dipping sauce, mix garlic, red chili, fish sauce, lime juice, and black vinegar, sugar, and now we have the dipping sauce. Now is the show time how to enjoy our Vietnamese steamboat. Put all ingredients into the hot broth and dip into the sauce. Enjoy with your beloved one.